IELTS Speaking. Tips. Same question, different band scores. How often do you visit street markets? Band 5 answer.
I sometimes go to street markets, maybe once or twice in a month. They are cheap and have many things. I like to walk and look for some food or clothes.
Why is this a band 5? Simple grammar with errors. In a month instead of once or twice a month. Vocabulary is basic. Cheap. Many things. Ideas are limited and not well developed. Some fluency, but a bit hesitant and repetitive. Band 7.5 answer.
I usually visit street markets about once or twice a month. I enjoy the lively atmosphere and the variety of products, especially fresh fruit and handmade crafts. It's also a good way to support local vendors and discover unique items that you can't find in supermarkets.
Why is this a band 7.5? Clear and coherent, with well-organized ideas. Uses a range of vocabulary, lively atmosphere, variety of products, support local vendors, good control of grammar and sentence structure, fluent with only minor hesitation. Band 9 answer.
I drop by a street market almost every weekend. I love the vibrant mix of sights, sounds, and smells, from sizzling street food to colorful handmade goods. For me, it's not just about shopping, it's about experiencing local culture and interacting with people in a relaxed, informal way.
Why is this a band 9? Fully fluent and natural, no noticeable hesitation. Rich, precise vocabulary, vibrant mix, sizzling street food, experiencing local culture, complex but clear sentence structures. Engages with the question beyond frequency, giving cultural and personal perspective. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks.
Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.